To create a custom schedule for your Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum, first of all we'll need to open a Eufy Clean app. From there, navigate to your robot name and enter it, and here click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select the schedules and click on Add Schedule. That way we'll be able to select the time when it should start the schedule and change when it will be repeated. You can set it to only once or select any day of the week and even multiple days of the week when the schedule will be repeated. Next thing is a cleaning area. So if you have a map, you can select a home, entire home, which will basically clean your entire home. You can go for a room or scenarios if you have a map already. I don't have a map, so I cannot select that, but if you have it, then you'll be able to pick a specific room to clean. You can also customize a mode, and it can go for a quiet, turbo, or max mode during that cleaning. Finally, when you're ready, click on OK. And your schedule will be saved. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.